Hello guys, breaking news. Turkish club level goalkeeper died in earthquakes, but Christian Atsu rescued. Turkish goalkeeper Ahmet Ayub Turkish Lan has died following Monday's earthquakes in the country. The 28-year-old club Turkish goalkeeper Ahmet Ayub Turkislan Second Division Yeni Malayyaspor confirmed the news on Twitter. Turkistan played 6 times after joining in 2021. After our goalkeeper Ahmad Ayub Turkistan lost his life after being under the collapse of earthquakes. Rest in peace, they wrote. We will not forget your beautiful person. At last, our goalkeeper Ahmed Ayub Turkistan lost his life after being under the collapse of earthquakes in country. May Allah rest in peace, they wrote. Turkistan died in earthquakes. Turkish club level goalkeeper died in earthquakes, but Christian Atsu rescued after earthquakes. Turkistan goalkeeper Ahmet Ayub Turkistan has died following Monday's earthquakes in the country. His age 28.